Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel again, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to make this really good metallic slime. It's a very simple, easy and a very fast process. Anyone can make it within minutes. Take a 5 rupees or a 10 rupees Fevigum and pour it into a bowl like so. And then pour some water. Make sure the amount of water you are pouring into the bowl should be as equal to the amount of Fevigum you poured before. And then just give it a really good mix like so. Now guys, I'm going to mix some acrylic paint into my slime. Here I'm using this golden colored acrylic paint to give this slime a great metallic texture. So guys, now I'm giving this mixture a really good mix. The more you mix, the greater the product will be. So make sure to mix it really well. I added some more acrylic powder at last. So you can see the texture over here. It's really amazing, looking really amazing. And now I'm adding some sparkles to make it look more beautiful. I got these from my nearby craft shop of rupees 15, and I got the acrylic paint of rupees 25. I'll link all the links of the product in my description box. Don't forget to check it out. Mix it well and then don't forget to add some water. After adding some water, you can add some activator. If you want to know how I made this activator, just let me know in the comment box below. Give it a good mix, and yeah, that's it. So as you can see, our slime is ready. So actually it was quite simple and fast process. Make sure you give it a try, and if you have any queries, let me know in my comment post below, because this is a video made for kids and its comments section will be off due to that. So if you have any doubt or queries related to this slime, you can ask me in the comment box of my community post. So make sure to like, subscribe, share and comment, not over here but on my community post.